morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Today the evaluation will be started from the homework. Please, your answers.
Okay. So when were the writer and their death plan to even happen in the lift? Then what made the writer feel sick? People smoking. What did they say about what we take into our bodies? They affect our bodies. And then which of the following not mentioned as harmful in the text? Soft drinks. The writer was trapped because of the smoke. Too much alcohol is bad for us when taken wrongly. Smoking means breathing in burning chemicals. And then drugs are strong medicine that often misused. What should you do if you're trapped in the smoke? Close your mouth and your nose and move out quickly. Next, why is it dangerous if you are sniffing smoke? Because the cigarettes is contents of chemicals, and whenever we are trying to sniffing the cigarettes, the chemicals will become up inside our bodies. Next,
Math.
math. Okay. In that lesson, manipulative means a learning tool that can be touched and moved. Then, in a math word problem, the word altogether means total. If you ask to find the sum of two numbers, you should add them. Siti has 1/2 of a cake. She gives 1/4 of the cake to her friend. What fraction of the whole cake did she give? It's need the explanation or not? You need the explanation?
What is the answer?
1/8. Okay. Number 5. Ali has 3/4 liter of syrups. He pours 1/6 liters into each glass. How many full glasses can he fill? It's 4 glasses. Next, Rob has 12 apples. He eats 1/4 of them. How many apples did he eat? It is 3. 2 apples. Izzy has 100 beets. 1/2 of the beets are orange. How many orange beets does Izzy have? It is 20 orange beets. Jordan has 16 muffins. 3/8 of them are banana muffins. How many banana muffins does Jordan have? It's 6. 6 banana muffins. 6 out of 10 students in the class is 1/10 of them wear glasses. How many students wear glasses? It's 10 students wear glasses. Izzy has 200 beads. 2/3 of the beads are pink. How many pink beads does Izzy have? 120. Next, out of 10 plants, 2/5 of them are tomato plants. How many tomato plants are there? It's 4. It's 4. Cass say that 9/10 of plot of land is used for planting spring union. If the total area of the plot is 100 meters, how much land is used? It is 90 meters.
English.
This. What is a thunderstorm? Thunderstorm is a storm with lightning and thunder. What is lightning? Lightning is a bright flash during a storm. Why was Liam excited? He was going to Florida for vacation. Next, what did the man on TV say about the weather? There will be a lot of rain and thunderstorms. Liam wanted to swim in the ocean the next day. The family sat on the balcony and looked at the star. Liam felt a little scared when he saw the thunderstorms. The weather forecast said it would be colder than normal. What did the kids say in the middle of the night? He sees the thunderstorms. thunderstorms. And then, what is the most important thing in a family vacation? Enjoy your time with your family. And then spending time with them, the quality time with your family. Yes. Next one word. Science. What does it mean when something rotates? It spins around in place. What is a phase of the moon? A stage in the moon shape. What does sphericals mean? Around like a ball. What is the shape of Earth and Sun and the moon? It's spherical. Next, scientists use a microscope to observe the Sun and moon more closely. Satellites are sent into the space to observe Earth and Sun and the moon. The Sun appears to move across the sky during the day. The moon can change in shape and position in the sky. What tool do scientists use to get a closer look at the moon? Microscope? A telescope. How long scientists study Earth, Sun and the moon for 1,000 years?
How do you say one?
Moon studies. How long have scientists Earth, Sun and the moon? It is 1,000 years. 1,000 years. And this is a picture of the sun.
1,000 years. Next.
And this is a picture showing the sun, Earth and moon in a straight line. The Earth is in the middle, the moon it looks dark. Why can't Anna see the moon clearly in the sky? Because the moon is blocking the light of the resurface. Why is the sun important for plants? Because the plants needs sunlight. That's why sun is the most important for the plant.
Computer.
What does the command write RT do in turtle programming? RT turns the turtle to the right. What happens when the left or LT command is used? The turtle turns to the left. What does the forward or FG command do in MSW logo? Moves the turtle forward by a given number or steps. What should you first after typing FD and a number in the input box? It is enter error excuse. The third form of the forward command is FD. The turtle moves forward in the direction its head is pointing. The main screen in logo is divided into rows and columns. To enter a comment, you first click the input box. What does happen when you click FD in the MSW? The turtle will be moved 50 steps forward. How do you draw a line in MSW?
What was the answer for number 9? What happens when you click FD?
What happens when you click FD in MSW logo? The turtle will be moved 50 steps forward. How do you draw a line in MSW logo? By telling the comment to, like, for example, you want to move to the left or right, just click RT 90, the turtle will be moved 90 degrees.
Matematika.
Oke, berapa buah yang jumlah paling banyak dari data di atas? Ada yang paling banyak adalah buah pisang. Hari apa yang paling banyak buah dijual? Hari Senin. Oke, lanjut. Berapa buku yang dibaca Budi? Budi membaca 5 buku dari data di atas. Oke, nilai. Berapa rata-rata nilai matematika dari data berikut? 80 bis. 80. Buah apa yang jumlahnya paling sedikit? Buah jeruk. Buah jeruk adalah buah yang paling sedikit. Dalam sebuah tabel, jumlah siswa yang suka kucing ada 18, suka anjing ada 12, dan kelinci ada 10. Ada berapa jumlah seluruh siswa? 40.
Next.
Oke. Lanjut. Sebuah diagram menunjukkan bahwa 14 siswa suka bermain sepak bola dan 11 siswa suka bermain bulu tangkis. Berapa selisih jumlah siswa yang suka sepak bola dan bulu tangkis? Ada 3 selisihnya. Dalam sebuah survei, 8 anak memilih warna merah, 5 anak memilih warna biru, dan 7 anak memilih warna kuning. Warna apa yang paling banyak dipilih? Warna merah. Tabel menunjukkan bahwa jumlah pensil yang dibeli oleh siswa A adalah 10, siswa B adalah 7, dan siswa C adalah 5. Siapa yang membeli pensil paling sedikit? Siswa C yang membeli pensil paling sedikit. Sebuah grafik batang menunjukkan bahwa ada 6 anak yang membawa bekal roti 9, 6 anak membawa bekal roti, 9 anak membawa nasi goreng, dan 5 anak membawa mie. Berapa banyak anak yang membawa nasi goreng? Ada 9 anak membawa nasi goreng. Dari sebuah tabel diketahui bahwa jumlah kelereng milik Tony 12 dan milik Lina 9 dan milik Dani ada 15. Berapa total kelereng mereka berdua? Tony
Berapa?
36.
Berapa?
36.
36.
Iya.
Next.
Oke, dalam sebuah kelas 10 siswa suka bermain sepak bola dan 6 siswa suka bermain basket. Berapa banyak siswa yang disurvei? Ada 16 siswa yang disurvei.
Okay, this is health education participants.
Yes, remember for our education. Smoking and bad air can make us feel sick. Okay, so by sniffing the bad air, like smoking, get close to the people who is smoking, and then maybe we are sniffing cigarettes. It can cause sick. For example, like when we are standing near of the fire and we are breathing with the bad air of it, that can make our lungs, that can harm our lungs. If we are get close to a fire or a smoker, their smoke can harm our lungs whenever we are sniffing that smoke. And then some things like drugs and alcohol are dangerous. So things like drugs and alcohol are dangerous. Actually, drugs is for some people is very useful for medicine, but if it's taken wrongly, it will become a bad medicine. People will make a silly thing and become feeling strangeness. They will feel strange, not like they usual whenever they are using drugs. But for some people, drugs can be useful for the sick people. It's like some of the people useful for. Like some drugs can be useful for the sick people. It can be useful, but if it's taken wrongly, if it's taken wrongly, the drugs will make people out of the control. The drugs will be control the people. They will get addiction with it. And then the alcohol as well. Alcohol is drink that can harm children. So alcohol is drink for adults. If it's drink too much, we will become dizzy, and then make silly thing in dangerous way with consume their alcohol. Next, we should protect our bodies by making health choice. Our body, the only people who can protect our body is ourselves. So our choice is really affect our body. For example, if you choose smoking, of course that will harm your lungs. And if you choose to consume drugs or alcohol, it will cause addiction, and you will not able to live without that. So without drugs and alcohol, if one time you have tried it. Yes, addiction. They will get addiction. Next, asking adults before trying something new is smart. So whenever you know about something is new, it's better for you to ask your parents or adults near you, is it good or not to do? So whenever you are see people sniffing something like cigarettes, glue, and then consume drugs, alcohol, you better ask your parents to know more about the details, what is it, and what is the health effect for our body, so that we can protect ourselves also. Next, being safe start with what we put into our mouth. Yeah, that's like, for example, we are put cigarettes in our mouths. Of course, that can harm our lungs, and then if we are put the cigarettes in our mouth, it can harm our lungs. That's why we need to be smart to choose what we should put in our mouth and what should not. Okay, we find fraction by dividing things into equal parts. So we can find fraction by dividing things into equal parts. For example, a cake cut into 4 equal parts to make 1/4 fraction. Next, using apples, muffins, or beets makes fraction fun and easy to learn. So this is called manipulative in the math lesson. It is fun to learn about fraction. For example, like we want to make the fraction using the beets or muffins or apples illustration to show to the children, so that it will make learning math more fun, being more fun. Next, math tools like counters help you to see fraction. Like I said before, math tools like manipulative tool, it helps us to learn more about fraction in math, and then it can make our study more fun and easier to understand. Like using the illustration of pizza, a muffin, a pie, something like that. Next, practicing with a real example helps you to understand fraction in everyday life. For example, like you have a cake, and you wanna share your cake with your classmate. You need to use fraction so that you can share to your friend the same equal parts of the cakes. Okay. Next, you can divide shape and numbers into equal parts like halves, third, or tenth. So we can use kinds of shape to know about fraction. For example, we draw a square and we want to know about how is the fraction 1/4 of a square look like. We can use square, and then we use square, rectangle, triangle to know more about it. Next, to find a fraction of number divided by the denominator. So whenever we are want to counting with the fraction, for example, we want to divide the fraction, we should start with the denominator first, the bottom part of the fraction. Like we want to divide 2/6, divide 2/10, divide 2/10, divide 2/5. So the result will be 2/2. Next, you can add fraction if the bottom denominators are the same. You only can add the fraction only if the denominator, the bottom part is the same. So that means you just add the numerator, but the denominators you don't need to add. You don't need to add it. Still the same. For example, like 1/4 and 1/2 and 3/4. So if we 1/2 and 3/2, that's was the same denominators at the bottom, but we don't need to add them, we just need to add the numerator. So the result will be 5 over 2. We don't need to add the
1 over 2 and 3 over 2.
Yes. And sorry. 4 over 2. Yes. 4 over 2.
Next. Science.
The Earth, Sun, and Moon are all around like balls. So whenever we are learning here about Earth, Sun, and Moon, the shape of these three elements is spherical shape. It's like a ball. So whenever we are seeing that from internet, from the satellite where capture the picture, we can see like the Earth was like ball floating in the space. Yes. That's why the shape called as spherical shape. Next, the Sun seems to move across the sky because the Earth spins. So every day the Earth rotates. That's why it counts the night and the day timings. The Moon also appears to move and change shape every night. No, the Moon also appears to move. Okay, so this one, whenever we are seeing the Moon, it happened because the Moon is blocking the light of the Sun. The Moon is blocking the light of the Sun. That's why sometimes we can see the full parts of the Moon, sometimes half. This repeat every month. This tragedy is repeated every month. Half moon, full moon, called as phase of the moon, the stage of the moon. This moon shape change are called phase. Like I said before, the shape of the moon is called as phase moon, as a bulan. Now, in there we can see the full moon and the half moon that will repeat every month. The same. Next. Scientists have studied Earth, the Sun, and the Moon for many years. So, scientists is the people who will learn about the space and observe the space using the telescope. And that make it easier for them to study about the Moon, the shape of the Moon, and the Earth, the Sun as well. Next, they use tools like telescope and satellites to observe space. So, to helping the scientists send the satellite to the space to orbit the Earth and capture the planets and the weather of it. So that makes the scientists easier to learn about the phase moon, the planets, and then the Earth by using the satellite and the telescope as well. Okay, this tool helps scientists to see objects closely. So telescope is used by scientists to see the far object like stars and moon to study about them. The Earth, Sun, and the Moon are all almost miracles or ball shapes. So Earth, the Sun, and the Moon is the shape of these three elements is sphericals like the balls. So whenever we see them in the space, like the balls floating. You wish? Okay. Sometimes vacation don't go as planned. So whenever we're going to the trip, whenever we're travel with our family, sometimes our plans doesn't go as we have planned last time. Then in our house, for example, we have planned to swimming and then for fishing, but after we arrive at the place, it can be like the disaster coming and then the thunderstorm disaster, so that make us better to stay indoors. So sometimes travels or trips don't go as planned. Next, we can still have fun indoors. Okay. For example, if you go for a trip, you wanna go fishing, for example, fishing, but there is a big thunderstorm outside. It's better for you to stay indoors and makes you safe. But beside of that, we can still do the fun activities like reading the book, spend time with our loved one, and then playing games like computer games in your accommodation place. Time with family is more important than activities. So whenever we are traveling with our families, to spending time for vacation, spending time with them is the best part of our vacation. Than the activities is. I mean, if even we do the small activities with them, it will be more fun if we do with the whole family with us. Okay? Being together with loved ones makes everything better. So, by being together with your parents, your siblings, cousins, with your loved one makes you feel better because you can spend your quality times with them, and then you can enjoy your vacation, the nature that you have planned before. You can enjoy with your loved one. Next, a beautiful view doesn't need sunshine. So it's called like beautiful view doesn't need a sunset means like when you're going to the, for example, like raining, you can still see the beautiful vibes on it even though it is raining on your vacation by standing in the balcony and enjoying and realizing the view of your vacation place. Next, we can choose to be happy even when things go wrong. So whenever things go wrong, not go as we have planned, we can still choose happiness by spending our time with our loved one, and then do our hobbies, what do we love. Don't really think about what the things that already happened. There is uselessness. That is useless.
Computer.
So the right comment. Right comment is the instruction. Right comment is instruction for the in the MSW logo for the turtle. For example, if you want to move the turtle to the right, we need to type in the commanders like RT 90. So the turtle will be moved 90 degrees to the right. And then the left command or LT. The left command is the instruction in MSW logo for the turtle to move to the left, to move or make lines to the left. So
why is it called RT and LT?
The short key.
The circle. What is the full name? RT.
Left. LT.
Left.
Yeah, left. Right. RT.
So the first initial and the last.
Yeah. That's the short key. Okay. So whenever we type LT 90, the turtle will be moved 90 degrees to the left. Next, the turtle rotate 360 degrees. It comes back to where it starts. So whenever we are making 360, the turtle will be moved at the first place that he is staying.
Next, we will move to. Okay, next, please explain this book, Miss Science.
Okay, so in here we enter the new chapter, the Earth, Sun, and the Moon. So in here we will learn about the phase of the moon, phase of the moon. Like we can see here, the Sun, Earth, and the Moon. So in here we will learn more about the scientists, how do they learn satellite, and then the phase of the moon. So for example, phase of the moon is the stage of a moon shape. We have kinds of the moon shape like the full moon and the half moon. This is called as a moon, phase moon. It every month, and then we will also learn about the rotation of the Earth. So I will explain to my student how do the day timing and night timing happen. It happens because the Earth is rotate every day, once every day. The Earth must be rotated. That's why it happens day and night timing in different country, of course. The day and the night timing. That's why we have for example, in Europe and in Indonesia, we have the different timings. That's because the Earth is rotated once every day. So, and then we will learn about the satellite. The satellite. I have actually just 3 pages here. Okay. Nah, scientists like that. Satellites have also been sent into space. So here we learn about the satellite. What is satellite? Satellite is a machine that send to this space satellite is a machine that sent to the space to capture the Earth, the planets of the space, so that scientists will learn more about it and easier to them for study about this space. So satellites also will be when we are seeing the weather today, is it raining or not? We can know it from the satellites. For example, we have Google Earth. We have Google Earth as the software that we can access now. We can see how do the Earth look like in the space. Even we can see the stars of it. It can be accessed free. So we can see the fully Earth, the perfect Earth, like the sphere shape. It is because of the satellite. Satellite is recording, capturing all the planets and the Earth from the space. So that makes scientists easier for them to study about sun, moon, stars, and the Earth.
Okay, now we are moving to vocabulary. Drugs.
Drugs is a strong medicine that often misused. So some drugs can be useful for sick people to make them get well soon, but if it's taken wrongly, it will make people feel strange.
Street train.
This is
Street train.
steam trains.
Steam train.
Steam train is old trains that move with steam power, with hot steam. It sounds like choo choo like that. The sound is like that. So whenever it sounds like that, the smoke will be coming out. The smoke of the steam train, because the full of the train is a smoke, hot steam. Balcony is a small outside platform, so that we can step out. We can step out from balcony and sitting and relaxing by seeing the view from balcony. Satellite is a machine that's sent to the space. This machine is used for taking photos of the Earth, the moon, and the Earth. So it will help scientists to learn more about the space. Spherical is the round shape like a ball. So the shape of the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon is known as spherical shape. So whenever we are seeing the Earth in the space, it look like a ball floating in the space. Altogether means the total. For example, like Eddie has parts in the totals.
Manipulative.
Manipulative is tool that used for math learning. It makes easier and fun to learn, like using the beads for knowing the fraction, like how 1/4 fraction and or 1/2 fraction works.
I think that's all for the evaluation today. The result is sometimes when you want to automate a sentence, you didn't realize, like you say, when we output. Actually, if there's to be like is an R, it should be with in, right? Like we are putting, like we are talking, but sometimes you say when we are talk like that, you know, I just please be careful. And then for the answer key of the Mathematica just now, you need to edit it because what which you answer with the answer that you have provided in the answer key, it was different. Yes, like just now you said 40. Yes, right. Yes, the answer is actually 40, but you put in the answer key 50. So later please you edit. And then for the some point of health education, I think it can be developed more because I think that it wasn't satisfying. So you need to develop it, I think. Yeah. For others, like your explanation just now for science book, it was clear, you could explain, and then for vocabularies, you could memorize and explain them well. So the result is you 5